Hey there, I'm Hugo Ferreira from Tech Corner, and over here today is Monday. We have here the package that the mailman brought us last week, and right now we will open everything and share with you what we have here. Don't forget, if you haven't already, please subscribe and hit that bell so you can be notified every time we have new videos. Most of these articles will be reviewed on the other two channels of TechCornerTV, the Review and Tips channel for technology and the Electronics Projects and Tutorials for electronics equipment, electronics test equipment, electronics parts and modules. So give them a look and you'll probably find something you like. It's unbox time. Let's move everything out of the way and start with this one. Okay, let's see what we have here. We are still having some problems with our camera. Don't know what's going on. Let's open this, maybe. Okay, we have here some corners for 3D printing construction or laser cutter construction. This will join the extruded aluminum, and yeah, we had a lot of constructions like that in the last time, so a bunch of corners. Let's see what we have here next. A small package with okay. Over here we have deep sockets, several sizes. It's one of those boxes with assortment of parts. This is useful for example, the Arduino, some ICs that I have in the workbench. For example, this has 6 contacts, 8 contacts. I don't know right now, but I believe I have some RAM modules, EPROMs, that use this one. Yeah, it's an assortment of deep sockets for microchip in montage, something like that. Okay, an article for our channel, electronic channel. Let's see what this says. Oh. Okay, those are power supply. 12 volts, 3 amps. They were bought for supplying power for some LED projectors that we have. And yeah, quite simple, 2 units. European socket. We are in Portugal, as you know. So yeah, 110 to 240 volts. Yeah, more equipment for our channel. We have batteries on the well, these LEDs don't have battery, I believe. That's why we bought 2 transformers, the power lights for our channel. Okay, so let's try again another fishing tackle boxes. I think this might be box for component storage. Yeah, we have 4 boxes here. You can see it. Let's try. Yeah, those are sorry, those are small boxes. I don't know if we can have usage to them. They are those dividers won't come out. So yeah, I don't know. I think this might be too small for the things we have. Maybe some screws, some stuff that we have there that isn't in big quantity. I have 4 of them. Yeah. Let's see. Okay, so right now, moving on, we have content connector. These descriptions are always very, yeah. Let me take this out of here. We have here some BNC connectors. I believe that I bought this to connect several equipment to our oscilloscope and yeah, make some experiments. And we have 10 of them over here. It has, we can use wire with screws. We have a screw adapter, the plus sign and the minus. Yeah, are simple adapters. Okay. So, oh, this is small. And I can't tell you what this is. This is an integrated circuit. Okay, that's the description on the package. I will have to, let me put the top camera. I will have to see what was ordered and to tell you what this is, because right now I don't know. But I think this might be a power converter. You have in USB in, and we will have the out, maybe regulated by this resistor. I don't know. I have to see. I will leave on the comment section the part and where you can buy it, and also the price. But right now I don't know. I was unprepared to answer what this is. But I believe this has an input in, power in, voltage in, and voltage out. So I truly believe this is a power converter. I don't know the voltage that it converts, but anyway. I will give you more information when the video it's edited but right now I don't have it. When I was trying to throw the package away, I saw that in the package was already also this module. It's the 3962A. I believe it's also a power module. You will have the in and the out. This must convert something like 5 volts to 3 volts or something like that, but I will leave the information on the description, and probably you will have a subtitle here or something like that with that information also. This was out of the package. It was delivered like this, not even an electrostatic package. Okay, so I have another one. Let's see what we have here. We have a battery holder, 18650, but he has already something in here that I don't know if it should be like this. It has a little metal wandering around. I have here a module and another power module, just like the one I just showed you before. Exactly equal. I don't know. I have to see what I bought this, and I believe that I have here another power down module. Out 5 watts. Yeah, it will be supplied by USB Type A, and you will have here the output. No, sorry. This is the input, and it will supply 5 volts output. I don't know what is the input. As I told you again, they came at the same time because they were all ordered at the same time, and it is funny that it came in the same week. I will leave in the description what this is, and well, this one had a battery, has some, I believe this is soldering wire, and has some wire here to connect. I don't know. It's some kind of kit. I will have to check it out where I bought it and why I bought it. I'm sure this is for some project. I have a lot of them in queue, into the list. Sometimes I order the pieces, and this came 2 or 3 months later, and right now I don't know for what I needed at the time I ordered. So we have another order here, connectors. I don't know, I have a lot of connectors right now. Let's see what we have here. Those are not connectors. Let me show you. Those, I will not even, I don't know if this is already open. Yeah. So those are 50 ohms terminals, yeah. For oscilloscope, if you want to use a direct cable on the oscilloscope, you should, for example, if you use a T, a derivation, you should use one of these in the end. I'm a little sad of saying this, but I'm still from the time that we use BNC on networks for I don't know, 10 megabits connections, I believe, between the computers, and the computers were all connected in a serial way, and we should have one of these in the end of each end to terminate the connection. That's why they are called terminators. You should also use this since you are using BNC and BNC cable, you should use this when connecting cables to the oscilloscope, so you can have more accurate results. Well, I ordered 2 of them. As you know, we started a new home lab workbench. We have a whole episode of that in a video in the electronics projects and tutorials channel. The first video is exactly the beginning of the project, where I opened our equipment. So take a look to see what we got there. Okay, so we have here some tape. I believe this should be two-sided tape. Let me check. Yeah, it's quite. It has a small. Yep. This is two-sided. Let me show you. This kind of tape is always useful. Okay, you have glue here and you have glue below. It's always useful to secure, for example, on the projects, a power. You can use it on the back, for example, of the battery pack to secure it somewhere. Yeah, I ordered this. It's always good to have this on the workbench. And let's check the last one, this big box. I already know, because of it's quite heavy, what this box is. I didn't open yet, but this is for the channel. Let's open this. This is well, it will be a hack. This is a monitor stand, 80 centimeters monitor stand with 2 arms, and the idea is to mount the camera in here somehow. And since the monitor stand it's 80 centimeters height, it will allow us to have several things in there. Yeah, we have 2 of this, and we can connect it like this. And as you can see, it has quite area for, yeah, this is 80 centimeters, and you can mount several devices over here, projectors and camera and everything else. And the idea is really to have a stand connected to this desk, or maybe on the workbench, in the home lab to have all the equipment secure in a steady place. And yeah, I had this idea. It's not idea. It's not mine. This idea it's from DCLR channel, DCLR something channel, and they presented this idea for a home studio solution, and I like it. Please give them a look. I believe that it's DCLR. I will leave a link in the description. And yeah, we will improve our... What's going on here? It will not close. We will improve our structure with this. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you didn't already, please subscribe and hit that bell so you can be notified every time we have new videos. Take a look on the other channels, the tips and reviews and tips for technology and electronics projects and tutorials for test equipment and electronic projects and modules, some tutorials also. That's all for today. Thank you for watching until the end, and I see you in the next video. Stay safe. Bye.